Hello guys, nice to see you today at our new lesson. Today we will not do any coding again. Today we will discuss what Cucumber BDD in Java is and how beneficial it is in comparison with its competitors. Here is our agenda for today. We will cover the following questions: a brief history of Cucumber BDD, main features of Cucumber, its pros and cons, difference between Serenity for Java and Cucumber for Java, difference with JBehave. Let's discuss history of Cucumber. Cucumber is a widely used behavior-driven development or BDD framework for Java and other programming languages. It was originally created by Aslak Hellesow in 2008 as a Ruby tool called RSpec Plain Text Story Runner. Later, in 2010, Cucumber was rewritten in several programming languages, including Java, making it more accessible to a broader range of developers. The Java version of Cucumber is known for its ease of use and seamless integration with Java applications. Let's briefly discuss the main features of Cucumber BDD in Java. Cucumber BDD in Java offers several key features that makes it popular choice for implementing BDD practices in software development. First of all, it's Gherkin language. Cucumber uses the Gherkin language, which is a plain text, business-readable, domain-specific language, or DSL. It allows non-technical stakeholders, such as product owners and business analysts, to write executable specifications in a natural language format. The second feature is step definitions. Developers can write step definitions in Java to map Gherkin language statements to actual code implementations. This allows for the automation of acceptance criteria and facilitates collaboration between developers and non-technical team members. The third benefit is tagging. Cucumber allows you to tag scenarios and features, making it easy to organize and execute specific subset of your test suite. This is particularly useful for running regression tests or testing specific features. The fourth feature of Cucumber is data tables. You can use data tables in scenarios to provide multiple input values and expected outcomes, enhancing test coverage without duplicating scenarios. The fifth benefit is hooks. Cucumber supports hooks, which are pre- and post-execution actions that can be used for setup and tear-down tasks such as setting up test data or performing cleanup after a scenario. The sixth feature of Cucumber in Java are reports. Cucumber generates detailed test reports in various formats, including HTML, JSON, and XML, making it easier to analyze test results and track test coverage. The final feature is integration. It seamlessly integrates with popular testing frameworks like JUnit and TestNG, making it easy to incorporate BDD into your existing testing ecosystem. Let's discuss pros and cons of Cucumber. The first benefit of it is collaboration. Cucumber encourages collaboration between technical and non-technical team members by using plain language specifications, Gherkin. The second benefit is reusability. Step definitions and scenarios can be reused across different test cases, reducing duplications of effort. The third benefit is readable reports. Cucumber's reports are human readable and provide detailed information about test results. They may be important for key non-technical stakeholders of the project. Also, Cucumber has wide adoption. Cucumber has a large user community and extensive documentation, making it easier to find solutions to some common problems. Finally, Cucumber is cross-platform. It supports multiple programming languages, allowing teams to use it across different tech stacks. Let's switch to the disadvantages of Cucumber. The first and the most important is learning curve. Writing effective Gherkin language specifications and mapping them to Java code can be challenging for beginners. The second con is maintenance. As the number of scenarios grows, maintaining step definitions and keeping them up to date can become complex. Also, performance may suffer with your Cucumber tests. They can be slower compared to unit tests because they are located on high level in test pyramid. Finally, Cucumber may add overhead for your project. Implementing BDD may introduce some overhead in terms of development time and resources as well as testing. Let's discuss the main differences between Cucumber and Serenity in Java. Serenity and Cucumber are both popular choices for implementing BDD in Java, but they have some key differences. First of all, it's reporting. Serenity is known for its extensive reporting capabilities, providing detailed, narrative-style reports with screenshots and detailed logging. Cucumber's reports are more structured, but may lack some of Serenity's narrative elements. Test management is another benefit of Serenity. It offers test management features, allowing you to manage test suites, requirements, and traceability. Cucumber focuses more on test execution and collaboration. Integration is another important point for Cucumber. While Cucumber integrates well with JUnit and TestNG, Serenity uses its own test runner, making it easier to use with Serenity-specific features. Finally, Cucumber's Gherkin language is often considered more user-friendly for non-technical stakeholders due to its plain text format. So this is a place where Cucumber wins. Let's discuss the main similarities and differences between JBehave and Cucumber in Java. Cucumber uses the Gherkin language, a domain-specific specifications designed for BDD. JBehave uses more natural language approach that allows for flexibility in writing scenarios. It can be an advantage for teams who prefer more flexible approach to writing their tests. Gherkin structured syntax enforces clarity and readability. Scenarios are typically easier to understand due to the uniform given-when-then structure. JBehave's natural language approach can lead to lack of uniformity, making it potentially harder to maintain consistency across scenarios. Cucumber provides a high level of flexibility and extensibility through plugins and integrations. JBehave is designed to be flexible, allowing users to extend its functionality, but the ecosystem and the number of plugins for JBehave might be smaller compared to Cucumber. Cucumber has a large and active community, contributing to extensive documentation and a wide range of online resources. While JBehave also has a community and documentation, it might not be as extensive or widely adopted as Cucumber. This could potentially mean fewer resources and community-driven plugins. The structured nature of Cucumber Gherkin language can make it easier for beginners to grasp the basic concepts of BDD. The natural language approach of JBehave might be easier for non-technical stakeholders to start with, but it could lead to inconsistencies in the way scenarios are written. Let's sum up what we did today. Today we learned the following. The brief history of Cucumber in Java. The main features of Java Cucumber. Pros and cons of this tool. Its similarities with Serenity. Its differences between JBehave. This is everything what I got for you for today. I hope that it was interesting for you to learn basic information about Cucumber BDD and compare it to other similar tools. Thank you for your attention. See you in our next lesson.